customize your HTML tag, you have to use HTML tag attributes and values. To do this, you need to add the name of the attribute inside the tag and the value in quotations like this. Hi everyone, this is the Tech Typhoon and welcome back to the 4th episode of the HTML video series. In the last episode, you were taught on an overview of all HTML tags. In this video, I'll be teaching you all about HTML tag attributes and HTML tag values. So without further ado, I'll go to the first slide. This one is the class ID and style attributes. The class ID and style attributes are all to do with CSS. CSS is a language used for formatting and styling. There are 3 types of CSS used in HTML. You see, CSS is used to style an HTML page and make it look nice. Now, there are 3 ways to do that. There's one called a style, which is a attribute that you it's an inline one. There's an ID, so there's an inline one that inside of a tag you just put some CSS attributes inside of it in the style attributes. Well, you see, you put attributes within attributes. Then there's an ID one, which is a one that you put in the head. This one is used to link to a completely different document that has CSS in it. So if you want to connect your HTML page to a CSS, you use an ID. And if you want, and if you have a style, not attribute, but a style tag on your page, you use the class attribute to be able to connect a tag to that style tag. So you're basically connecting style to content throughout this whole thing. The next one is the events. The event attributes, the event attributes are one of the ways used to put JavaScript into your page using attributes shown here. So these are all the attributes that you can use to perform JavaScript. I am not good at JavaScript. I don't know JavaScript, so I'm just teaching you beforehand for anyone that knows JavaScript. And these don't work on every tag. The next attribute is the align, alt, border, height, width, and source attribute. So align is used to align objects to the left, the right, the center, and justify values. So you can, this is to align. Then alt is used to put an alternative text if the object doesn't load. So if the object is missing or it doesn't load for a reason, you have an alternative text saying like, sorry, this image doesn't load, or something that could replace the image, like a smiley face. The next one is the height and width. The height and width is used to set a height and width for the object, we know that. And the source attribute is used to give a source to the image tag, so knowing where the image is. It's kind of like a href that I will teach right here. A href is used to tell the web browser when it stands for hyperlink reference, and it's telling you where the hyperlink is. And this hyperlink can be a website or it can be a file on your server, which I will tell you. So it's a file on your computer or something on the internet that you want to link to. You use a hyperlink reference inside of the anchor tag, which is right here. The first one though here, I just started with that one because I felt like it. The first one is the tab indexed one. It's to tell the web browser in what order to tab. So let's say whenever you're on a form and you press tab, it actually just goes to the next field, but you can set an order for what field it goes to next. The next one is the href, which we have done, but the last one is the target. The target is used to tell the web browser how to open a href link value like this. So it's like it's a link, but like whenever you want if you wanted to know the web browser has to know how to open it. Like underscore blank means that it opens it in a new window or a new tab. Underscore self means it opens it into the, I think, on the same tab that you clicked it on. Underscore parent is it opened it in a new frame, and underscore top opens the linked document full body on the window. So they're all different ones. I think that, yeah, that does it for the HTML attributes. This is what attributes go for what tag. So the anchor tag supports the href, target, events, tab index, title, ID, class, and style. Now I need to tell you guys that I'm not going to be able to cover every single HTML tag attribute, and these aren't every one of them, because I only went and picked out the most important ones. The next one is the div for division. We have the align, event, ID, style, and class. This one is actually used. It's not used to align. It's actually used to tell. I made a mistake in the last video. It's used to tell the web browser where to place objects on the page. So if you want it, you can actually set coordinates. I think a friend told me. The next one is the font, which we know is the face, color, size, but these three you didn't know, the style, ID, and class. Pretty much all of them have that one. The image one, IMG, the source, the alt, the align, the border, the height, the width, and the event. Then the horizontal rule has the align, the ID, the style, and the class. And that's it. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. For more information on HTML tag attributes and values and HTML, just click in the description, as well as the Tech Typhoon's website, my email address, my Twitter account, my Google Plus account, and my website, which isn't up yet. Please just pause the video and like it and favorite it also if you can. Just leave a comment, it really helps. Favoriting and commenting and liking it really helps. Leave a comment to tell me what you thought of it, because I love feedback. And subscribe for more videos. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye.